As students across Meghalaya gear up for the Common University Entrance Test or QET, concerns have emerged regarding the insufficient number of examination centres within the state to accommodate all local candidates. Addressing the issue, National People's Party leader and advisor to the Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, Hima M. Shangplyang, clarified that the conduct of QET and the allocation of exam centres are overseen by the National Testing Authority or NTA. He stated that the selection of centres is centrally regulated by the NTA based on available infrastructure. Hima Shangplyang informed that the NTA has requested the Meghalaya government to submit a detailed report on the availability of centres across the state that are adequately equipped with computers and other necessary digital infrastructure. Once enough such centres are identified and approved, QET candidates from Meghalaya will be able to appear for the examination within the state itself. The government is currently working to ensure that sufficient infrastructure is in place to avoid the need for students to travel outside Meghalaya for the exam.
Ngatharai nan percaya dukum ni bakam dadi ka jing bakla na kalian ke sorkar jungi ya kani lale na ka NTA na ka National Test Authority ba ya kani ki lay rai bet number ki kena samla jungi ki apply online dan dala de apply online nang te na Delhi ki pentip ru online syakini ki kena samla but ya ka center ru ki kena ki ladem jit lupa bangi ngin lek tho hak kata don ki kena ki bangat apo ke jelajungi don ki kena ki bangat sabar ke jelajungi kadau kalong ba kumbang ilayo ya ke jing percaya na u Minister Education menin bat kumjo da ke jing buddin lem jong u Chief Minister jongi u konrat sangma bat u Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan nilayo ya kajing percaya ba kadai kajing duna jong ki exam centers hapo kejelajungi te kajing gentu yakini ki kun samla ki belayo ya kita ki center syabar kejela kabangat tharekan salong hadien sita yo tam nang ni hapo mentaka singi janmit ka NTA kalapan ni ka report na ke jelajungi ba kanotli ki center ngila bangin set up immediately dementa u director jongka education udang pun kre ya kita ki center na try ni don kampalat aspa teli ki center hapo ke jelajungi ban yo ban accommodate ya kini ki khonsam lajungi but ngasu kwa ban ong tangkum ni ba kini ki khonsam lajungi nam try ki don kaman let shu shabar namar ba ya ka report on penpoi sa Delhi menta ke janmiet halor kita ke jingdon jol kita ke center bang ngingej ngin yo hi kumba chispa tam ki center hapo ke jelajungi bang nginda yo ya kita ke center kini ki khon sam lajungi kin sa yo ya ka jing pentip biang haki ba ki kin let ban tho exam haki center within Meghalaya te kajing tentu nak liang jongi ya ke sorkar kami kalong ba ngide ban yo iki jingiram marmar ban yo ban setup ya khambun shu iki center nomar ki center kimlong kum ki exam center ki balong normal centers ki ban long ki center ki ban kat bat ka computer badon internet facilities te mentang ya wat ya kum kita ki jaka ki bat bon ba ki computer but don provided with internet facilities. They yang ta menta janmit hi ngin penpoi ka report sa Delhi but let's say hapo asing laisi ka NTA kan sa pentip directly yakini ki kena samla ki ba yakun yakini exam ba lapan kala ya ka center jongki ni don kam haba ong exam center ka diban long ka environment kum ka exam hall te kam dade kum ki cyber cafe tamarang to imla bangin monitor mla ban buddin te nomor kata ngide bangin don hi kun ka kenja hall bala bu lupa langba ki computer with internet facilities te hapo jela jungi dang kadang duna kita ki facilities nrei in persyangat bala man penbet ban penbiang ya kita ki center nang ba ki khon samla jungi kinyo ban shong ya ke exam harapo jela chung